Yes, it is raining. Rain on the rooftop, rain on the tree, rain on the green grass, but not on me. I love sitting by my window, watching the rain with a cup of coffee and read a storybook. Come, let us learn more about one of the fascinating wonders of nature. Today, I want to share with you a very sweet memory of my childhood days. Let's listen to the story.
A few years ago, one day as I was returning home from school, I walked along with my friends talking about many things. I noticed that the sky was filled with grey clouds and the air turned breezy. It was about to rain. I was happy that I forgot the umbrella at home that morning. Now is my chance to walk happily in the rain. I slowed down my pace and started walking in the rain and jumping in the puddles. Suddenly I heard a sound. It was a puppy. It was all wet and looked scared. I could understand that he had missed his way back home in the rain. I picked it up and ran towards my home. My mother was angry that I got completely wet in the rain. But as soon as she saw the puppy in my hands, she was surprised. She quickly made me change into warm clothes and the puppy was also taken care of. She served both of us warm food and warm milk. My dad returned home from office and said, "Let's go to find the puppy's mother tomorrow."
Helping the puppy that day made me really happy. This was one of my beautiful and sweetest memories of rain. Children, do you also have some memories that you would like to share about rain? Let me know.
Now let us read the words that come to our mind when we talk about rain. Rain, puddles, thunder, lightning, storm, drizzling, rainbow, clouds, umbrella, raindrop, drenched, soaked. You can also find the words related to other seasons like summer, winter, spring, and autumn. Now frame sentences with the following words: puddle, thunder, drizzling, umbrella, rainbow.
Dear children, we have a poem in our textbook called Rain. Let us read the poem.
Rain by Robert Louis Stevenson. The rain is raining all around. It falls on field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea.
If there was no rain, most of our planet would be like a desert. Do you think rain is just water? Well, it is not. It can have all sorts of things in it like dirt, dust, and even chemicals. It is probably not a good idea to swallow rainwater. The smell of earth after fresh rain is called petrichor. Materials required are blue chart paper, cotton, string, glue, tape, dark and light blue crepe paper. Procedure: cut out a cloud shape from the chart paper and small raindrop shapes from the crepe paper. Stick cotton on the cloud cutout with the help of glue and let it dry. Then stick strings of different lengths behind the cloud. Stick the raindrop cutouts on the string. Now with the help of an elder, hang it on the wall. Your wall hanging is ready.
There are various ways to enjoy rainy days. You can sit in your balcony and enjoy the weather, make paper boats, and take a long drive as well. Capture rain using your parents' mobile phone and let me know how you enjoyed it. Take care. See you soon.